Dear students, this video lecture is about a reservoir type and the site selection of a reservoirs. Reservoir is the storage structure which is constructed across a river along the suitable abutment structures. It is also meant to absorb a part of flood water and the excess discharge through the spillway. The reservoirs are classified into two: impounding reservoirs and service or balancing reservoirs. In impounding reservoir, the river flows naturally. Service or balancing reservoirs receiving the supply that are pumped or channeled into the artificial. In general, the service or balancing structures are required to balance the supply with the demand. The reservoir of second type, that is service or balancing reservoirs, are relatively small in volume because the storage required by them in the balancing flows for a few hours or few days at the most. This is the typical reservoir image. What are the functions of reservoirs? It is used for consumption and irrigation, for generating hydroelectric power, or the pumped storage hydropower schemes, flood control. The storage capacity is required to be maintained to absorb the foreseeable flood flows on the reservoir. Then the other amenity use like boating, water sports, fishing, etc. So the other types of reservoirs: auxiliary or complementary reservoirs, which is supplements and absorb the split of the main reservoir. Balancing reservoir, which is one of the main reservoir of holding water let down from the main reservoir in excess of that required for irrigation, power generation or other purpose. Then conservation reservoirs, these are the impounding water for useful purposes such as irrigation, power generation, recreation, domestic, industrial, etc. Detention reservoirs, it is used for flood control measures. In contribution reservoirs, system of water supply for project used primarily to care for the fluctuations in demand that occur over the short periods. Impounding or storage reservoirs, a reservoir with gate controlled outlets wherein the surface water may be retained for a considerable period of the time and released for use of the reservoirs. Then multi-purpose reservoirs, the dam is used for multi-purpose mentioned the above combinedly is called multi-purpose reservoirs. Next one is the factors governing the selection of reservoirs. There are many higher schools for the designing of dams. The particular one 13216 and 1991 code is particularly for the geographical exploration of reservoir sites. The relative experts are the water tightness of the basins, stability of the reservoir rim, availability of construction materials in the reservoir area, silting, then direct and indirect submergence of economical mineral. The last important one is seismic technologies. Okay. Thank you.